Hey, what's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Pluto TV on your Amazon Fire TV Stick device, step by step. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing we need to do is head over to the Find menu on your Fire Stick home screen. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the search option. This will open up the on-screen keyboard, and from here you can search for any app that's officially available in the Amazon App Store. The good news is that Pluto TV is fully supported on FireStick, which means you don't need Downloader or any third-party tools. Everything we're doing today is completely straightforward and beginner-friendly. Using your FireStick remote, start typing the word Pluto. You don't even have to type the full name. After just a few letters, you should see Pluto TV appear in the search suggestions. When you see it, go ahead and select it. Now you'll be taken to the app listing page. Here, make sure you click on the official Pluto TV icon. Once you're on the correct screen, you'll see the Download or Get button. Go ahead and press that button using your remote. At this point, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed, but usually it only takes a few seconds to a minute. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Open button appear. Go ahead and click Open to launch Pluto TV for the first time. Now, when Pluto TV opens up, you'll notice something really nice. In most regions, Pluto TV does not require mandatory sign-in to start watching. That means you can jump straight into live channels and on-demand content right away. However, if you do want to personalize your experience, like saving favorites or syncing your watch list, you can optionally create a free account. To do that, simply navigate to the Sign Up or Sign In section inside the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're inside the app, you'll see the main Pluto TV interface. Typically, it's divided into sections like Live TV and On Demand. The Live TV section gives you access to hundreds of streaming channels, while the On Demand section lets you watch movies and TV shows whenever you want. You can use the directional buttons on your Fire Stick remote to browse categories, scroll through channels, and select content. The interface is very smooth and easy to navigate, even if you're completely new to Fire Stick. Now let me quickly show you how to access Pluto TV anytime in the future. Simply press and hold the home button on your Fire Stick remote. From the menu that appears, select Apps. This will open your full apps library. Scroll down until you find Pluto TV. If you want quicker access, you can highlight the app, press the menu button on your remote, and choose Move to Front. This will pin Pluto TV to your home screen for faster launching. And just like that, Pluto TV is fully installed and ready to use on your Amazon Fire Stick. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share one important tip that I personally follow for streaming. Whenever you stream online, whether it's live TV or on-demand content, your internet activity can be visible to your ISP, and sometimes certain content may be limited based on your region. That's why I personally recommend using NordVPN. I personally use NordVPN on my Fire Stick because it helps keep my connection private and secure while streaming. It can also help provide a more stable streaming experience in many cases. The app is very easy to install on Fire Stick and runs smoothly in the background. If you plan to stream regularly, using a reliable VPN like NordVPN is definitely something worth considering for your setup. Alright everyone, that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. As you can see, installing Pluto TV on the Amazon Fire Stick is super quick and beginner-friendly. Within just a few minutes, you can unlock access to a huge library of live channels and on-demand entertainment right on your TV. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your friends who are using Fire Stick devices. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.